Vecna, Hellbats, Metal. This season of Stranger Things was amazing, but all is not well in Hawkins. Those mouth breathers done did my boy Eddie dirty. Nancy, she gets a sawed-off shotgun. Robin, Molotov cocktails. Steve gets an axe. And what does my boy Eddie get? Trash, with more trash poking out of it and a pointy stick. Freaking trash and a pointy stick. Honestly, I'm not sure how Eddie lasted as long as he did. So that's why today I'm gonna be building Eddie's trash shield to see how durable it really is. And you're going to use that worthless pointy stick to jab that subscribe button because you make good choices. Now let's get building. I'm not really sure what you expected. This is literally just a trash can lid with nails driven into it. Well, here it is. I can already see some problems with it. Number one, they are not secure in there at all. In the show, they were secure. Obviously, that was a lie. I have 4 tests planned for this. The first being shooting balls out of my air cannon to imitate bats. The second being shooting potatoes out of my potato cannon to also imitate bats. The third, smashing a banana with it because, well, bananas are evil. And fourth being the arrow test, which will imitate bat talons? Why don't you let me know what your predictions are down in the comments below.
If I only could make a deal with God, I'd get him to swap up.
All right, so the first thing that we're gonna start off with is my air cannon. I have a bunch of different balls here. Some are softer, some are harder, but we're going to use this to test and see how it would hold up against bats. Let me load this and get these tests started. Handball in 3, 2, 1. So it did absolutely nothing to the ball, and on the shield, it pushed this nail all the way back. Lacrosse ball in 3, 2, 1. It's not really doing anything to the shield, but it is knocking out all of the nails. You can see here, 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 here. This one's halfway out. This one's almost all the way out. The bats would just push the nails out as they ran into the shield. Final lacrosse ball, 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo! No way! It actually got stuck onto one of the nails. I've shot like 10 balls at this thing and all of them just knocked the nails out. This one finally got stuck in. That is super exciting. Next up is the potato cannon. I am going to wear hearing protection on this one because if you were around for my last potato cannon video, this thing gets very, very loud inside. So I'm gonna get it loaded up and we're gonna take 3 shots at it. Potato cannon in 3, 2. Holy shit! I don't even know if that hit it. Okay. It looks like it definitely hit like right here. Wow. All right, potato cannon take 2 in 3, 2. Wow, this is really doing a number on these nails. Last potato cannon shot in 3, 2, 1. Jesus. All right, so this definitely did a number on the shield. Screws or nails are out. Things hit sideways. I can always forget just how powerful that potato cannon is. I would say that the potato cannon would beat that shield because if you were holding that and it hit, you'd be hit with stray nails. The force of it alone would hurt so bad. Now we're gonna move on to the third test, which is my personal favorite, the banana test, because we have to destroy all the evil bananas. So now I'm gonna smash this down on the banana, not as hard as I can because these nails will come up and really hurt my hand. So I'm going to smash it down and let's see what happens to the banana. Let's see what happened. maybe you should subscribe. But no, absolutely nothing happened. Oh, I'm sorry, there's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes. It pierced the banana 3 times and didn't even go all the way through. You know this is bad if it does not damage a banana. All right, for the last test, we're going to be shooting 3 arrows at it to imitate bat talons. Let's see how this holds up. First arrow test in 3, 2, 1. Well, it deflected the arrow. 3. Second arrow in 3, 2, 1. That stuck right in to the trash can lid. 3, 2, 1. 1. All of the arrows minus the first one stuck in. Here's the thing though. I'm pretty sure that the only reason they didn't go further in is because I had this piece of wood back there. Look how easily all of these nails fell out. The lid is banged to hell. If I go like this, more nails fall out. Those heartless Duffer brothers giveth and they taketh away. They gave us the best character of the season and then ripped him away as easily as you would rip open a box of Eggo waffles. Our boy deserved better than freaking trash and a pointy stick. Maybe he would have lasted longer if he had this potato cannon. So let's take a minute and remember the greatness that was Eddie Munson.